Good morning, children. Saira. So, today we are going to start up with the revision work, right? Children, as your exams are approaching, and you must be having queries that how we are going to have exam, how the exams, online exams will be conducted. So, children, each and every instruction will be given you very soon. First thing. Second thing, when you have to prepare yourselves for the examinations, whether they are online, whether you are giving them physically in the school, my set of instruction for you will be always the same. Be thorough with the textbook. I repeat, be thorough with the textbook. I need you all to be very thorough with the textbook, whether it is English, whether it is social science, anything, because reading, by reading only you can have your real imagination and you can answer, and what you can say, inculcate the habit of answering on your own. I do not want you to cut, copy, paste whatever I have given to you. You will be pasting the same content. No, now you are in 8th standard, and the basis of 8th standard should be very strong so that you can pull on for the higher classes in a very comfortable manner. Till 7th standard you were learning the answers, you were learning whatever the teachers were giving you, but after 7th standard now you have to write your answers on your own. It is not that I will not provide you with the answers, I'll give you each and everything, but in the exams, if by chance you forget the answers, you should know how we have to answer the questions. See, when we are starting with the revision, I hope you have watched and learned from the videos that I have given you, we have provided you in the very first lecture, of the online class. Fine. Now, what is about this chapter, My Lost Dollar, Stephen Leacock? So, when we talk about the character, Stephen Leacock, who is the narrator, as well as Todd, who is his friend, both share a very good bond, a very good relationship, are very good friends. But what is the reason that they have a cranky situation in their friendship, or they have a disturbed relationship? Though one is conversant, the other is not, and the other doesn't even tries to ask what is the, what you can say, basic problem, or other, or you can say the other is least even concerned or bothered. Who is concerned, who is not, you all know. Giving a quick review of the chapter of the story, that is when it is about a dollar. That is what is the title, what does the title actually suggest to you all? The chapter means, what you have to do is that, my mistake, when we are talking about the lost dollar, by the title itself, what do you understand? As if a dollar has been lost, misplaced, isn't it? But indeed it is not lost. A particular dollar has been borrowed, and when a dollar has been borrowed, that particular dollar is being asked, is not actually being asked by the narrator, that is Stephen Leacock. It is borrowed by whom? By Stephen Leacock, that is the narrator's friend Todd. Okay, when does he borrows this particular single dollar? He is who? Todd. Todd borrows this dollar from Stephen Leacock, who's the narrator and his friend. And at that time, what happens? At that time, he is leaving for Bermuda. Who is leaving? Todd is leaving for Bermuda, and he asks for $1 to pay the amount for a taxi. Later on, when he comes back, Todd forgets that borrowed dollar is just slipped out from his mind, and Stephen Leacock, that is the narrator, he tries to convey the message that yes, a particular dollar has been borrowed, and he will be He'll be doing what? He wants to get the dollar and he can't express it because Todd was his best friend. And what happens, children, when somebody is very close to us, or we talk about our best buddies? Can we ask directly that you borrowed some money and please give us back? No, we cannot. Of course, we cannot. So similarly, this is what happens with Stephen Leacock, the narrator, and somehow Todd Todd is neither concerned, or you can say nor he is able to understand that what indications Stephen Leacock is giving to him. And over there, Stephen Leacock decides that yes, I shall give up the expected dollar and shall live on life smoothly. That is the basic content of the story. Second, now after this, there is an important question. Describe the character of Todd. This is a very important question. Todd is the second main central character of the story. He is well behaved, but the only thing is he somehow pretends that though he has a concerned nature for the narrator, but still somehow he is being portrayed as a forgotten, or you can say to have or imbibe a forgotten personality. Second, one more thing, children, I'll be forwarding you, I think, in the worksheet. First worksheet, if you have copied the questions, it was regarding the similes and the proverbs. If you have, I want that ready to be ready, okay? And tomorrow you'll be getting a PDF in which you'll be getting the answers. So I want you to be ready with your pen and notebook, and you'll get the answers for the similes. And thank you. And Sarah, if you have any doubt, you can please text. As for now, we do not know, but I want the monitors of my class right now to be Vishali Bishriya, one, and second is Tanushka Sahal. In boys, I do not have anyone's number, and nobody has even contacted. So whatever problem you have, you can forward to me. You can please text, but please be fast and do not get impatient. You will get questions in MCQ form, so do not learn the questions, long answers. Be thorough with the text. That's it. Thank you, and Sarah.